How are you? I think you all are enjoying in your houses, isn't it, children? But some of you are studying sincerely. That's because I see so many of you are completed your classwork and you are sending me the homeworks also. Good children, keep on doing this one. Keep going children. Okay, so already I have started for you so many lessons, that is sharing and caring in the family, then family, living in a family, sharing and caring in a family, then I think it is a festival lesson, and the children, and today I am going to take up the lesson our basic needs. Our basic needs in that food. Food is our basic needs. We need air, water, food, clothes and a place to live. Without food, can you survive, children? No. Without eating the food, can you get energy? Without eating the food, can you go and play outside? No. You will not have strength. You will not have strength to carry your bag also. Then children, for that you will not grow also. You will be like this only. You are now in first standard. If you don't eat your food properly, then you will be like a kindergarten children only. You will not be like a first standard boy or a girl. So, food is very, very important. Okay. We need air also. Without air, you cannot survive. You cannot live. Suppose if I put you inside a room. Okay. I'll close all the doors, windows, fans, everything. I'll off the fan. I'll off the light. And I'll make you sit in a small room. Will you be there happily? Or will you breathe there? No. You cannot breathe. So, air is very, very important. Isn't it, children? Without air, you cannot live. You cannot survive. Okay, same like air without water. Can you live without water for full day? No, you cannot live. Okay, so food, water, and what else? Air, clothes, and moreover a place to live, a shelter. Okay, food, air, water, clothes. Will you go outside without wearing your clothes? Without wearing your clothes, can you go outside? No, you cannot go, isn't it? So that is these are all our basic needs. Which all are basic needs? Air, water, food, clothes and a place to live, a shelter, a house, a home. Okay children, these are all our basic needs. Your basic needs, my basic needs, your parents' basic needs. Okay, without these things, nobody cannot exist. Even animals also need food, water, air. Even the plants also need. So all the living things need these things. Without this, they cannot grow. Same thing. If you don't pour water to the plant, will the plant will grow? No. The plant will not grow. It will dry up and it will die. Okay. Same like that. If I don't give you food, no water, how will you be? You will be like this. Okay. Your body will be bent like this. Okay. You will not talk properly. You will think somebody will call you, hey go, I am not coming. Because of you don't have strength. You eat nice healthy food. Then you will be happy. You will jumping from place to place. You will hop and go. You will clap and go. You will sing and go. Because your stomach is full. You are getting strength. Okay children. So all these are your basic needs. us energy. Food gives us energy. So that what should we do? We should eat fresh and clean food. We will think food is giving us energy, food is giving us strength. So we will not eat the stolen food or the stale food or the spoiled food. Is it? So that reason you should eat fresh and clean food. If you eat unwanted food, if you eat the spoiled food, what will happen? What will happen? Yes, you will vomit. You will have loose motion. You will have a stomach pain. And you will have fever. So many diseases will attack you. For that reason, you should be hygienic. You should be clean. Whatever food you are eating, that food should be clean and fresh. Understood, children? So, food is the basic needs. Okay? So, now we get grains, pulses, fruits and vegetables from plants. From where you are getting all the fruits? From where you are getting all the vegetables? From where you are getting all the pulses? Yes, of course, it is from the plants, isn't it? Eating vegetable and fruits is good for health. Eating vegetables and fruits is good for health. Vegetables will give you energy. Vegetable will give you the strength. And fruits also will give you strength and energy. It will avoid you from getting so many diseases. Isn't it? For each and every disease, they are finding out so many fruits. Special fruits. Is it? So fruits, eating fruits and vegetables, it is very, very important. Okay, children? So, next we get milk from buffaloes, cows and goats. We get milk, is it? From where do you get the milk? Now you will get the milk from the milk booth. You will tell, ma'am, from milk booth. But actually, ma'am, from where the milks are coming? Yes, milks are coming from cows, buffaloes and goats. Okay, children? So, what are the uses you do with the milk product? We make butter, cheese, ghee, curd, ice cream, milkshake, etc. Isn't it? With that, milk is very, very useful. You make payasam, kheer also. Isn't it? You make milkshake. You make ice cream. So, milk is very, very useful. That is also your basic food. That is also included in your food. When you go to a party, after eating nice food, finally what you will eat? You will eat one cup of ice cream and come. Is it? Because you think that is also a nutritious food. That is also food. Okay. So, we make butter, ghee, cheese, curd, ice cream. You know how the curd is prepared? You pour the milk and keep it, and that will change into curd. Isn't it, children? So, milkshake. You put all the fruits, mango milkshake, mangoes, and pour milk and prepare and drink it. It is very, very delicious. Then, so milk is very, very important. Milk is also giving you energy. Okay. Next, from where you get the meat? We get meat from animals and birds. Birds like hens and ducks give us eggs. From where you get the egg? Everybody like eating egg. Isn't it, children? You like boiled egg. Some will like omelette. Some children may be drinking the egg as raw also. Isn't it? But you like the egg. You will use egg for preparing cake or fried rice, egg fried rice. So you feel like eating the egg. So you are interested in eating egg. So you think energy giving food, isn't it? Egg is also one energy giving food which will make you grow. Understood, children? Yes. Next it is about the good food habits. I told you food is the basic need. But before you eat the food, there should be some discipline. There should be some good habits. Before eating the food, what are wash your hands before eating the food. Why? You will be playing here and there. You will touch the things, unwanted things. You will touch the bench, chair, table, TV, books, whatever it is. You will touch everything and you will come and eat the food as it is. What will happen? All the germs will enter into your body and you will become sick. Okay, then you will be taken to hospital and a very big injections will be given to you. Understood, children? For that reason, what you should do? You should wash your hand before eating the food and also after eating your food. Okay, children? That is very good habit. Next, wash mouth after eating. After eating your food, you will have to wash your mouth. How to wash? You pour the water and gargle and spit that water. That means what all the food is settled under your teeth, that should come out. If that food will not come out, what will happen? That will settle in your teeth and your teeth will become decay. Then toothache will come. All the tooth will fall down because they will not have strength. They will not have capacity. So one by one all your tooths will fall down. So that is why after eating the food you should wash your mouth. Understood, children? You have to wash your mouth. Next, eat meals at regular times. Morning, afternoon, night. You have to eat your food in time. Not that breakfast you will have at 11 o'clock. Then lunch you will have at 3 o'clock. Then dinner you will have at 11 o'clock. No, that is not the proper time. You should have your time in time. Breakfast should be taken in the morning. Lunch should be had in the afternoon. Dinner should be taken in the night. So there you have to keep a timetable and you have to have your food in time, regular time. Next, chew food well. Why you should chew your food? Chew your food like suppose you are eating your rice or some non-veg things. You just have put in your mouth and will you swallow it? No, you will not swallow. You will have to chew it slowly. Chew it and then swallow your food. If you eat the food without chewing, what will happen? It will go and create so many problems. You will get your stomach upset. You will get vomiting. You will get loose motion. You will get fever. Okay, you will get jaundice. What all, everything will come. So that you have to chew your food nicely and eat the food. Next, eat clean and fresh food. Fresh food. Some children, what you will do, some of you will do, you will take your food from the refrigerator. Immediately you will take the food from the refrigerator and you will eat that. That is not good. You have to eat fresh food. Okay, if not very fresh food, you have to take the thing, keep it for an half an hour and after that make it eat the thing. You have to boil the things and then you have to eat the food. Okay, next, drink clean and filtered water. Water. In water you will get so many diseases. You will get jaundice. You are drinking polluted water. If you drink polluted water, what will happen? If the water is not clean, if the water is not covered, if the water is small, you will see the small germs inside. Worms, small worms. If you keep the water for 2 days and third day you see down, open your eyes clearly and see small worms will be there in the water. So that is why we have to boil the water and drink. Boil the water and keep it. If you don't want to drink hot water, I don't want to drink hot water. So what you will do? You will make the water boil. Boil the water and keep it aside. And then you can drink according to your hotness or how much you want. You can drink it. Understood, children? So, boil the water or milk. If you want to drink the milk, don't get the milk from the shop and immediately drink it. You have to boil the milk. Boil the milk and drink, because small germs will be there. Okay? So, boiling of water and milk, it is killing the germs. Killing the germs. Okay? That will avoid you from getting so many diseases. Understood, children? For that reason, you have to boil the milk and water and also drink it. Okay? Next it is, we should not eat uncovered food. Some of you will go along with your friends. If you go with your parents, parents will not buy you the uncovered food. But when you are going with your friends, what you will do? Oh, nobody is there, nobody is seeing. Whatever, in some vegetable shop or in some fruit shop, you see they cut the fruits and keep it on in the shop, on the road. They sell it. They don't cover that also. So many insects, so many houseflies are coming and sitting. From where would the housefly would have come? The housefly would have gone and sat in a dustbin. The housefly would have gone and sat in some other dirty things. Isn't it? So that housefly will come and sit on the vegetable or on the foods which you are eating. So that will cause you harm for your body. Understood, children? So that you should not eat the uncovered food. You should eat the covered food. You should not buy from the road vendors, roadside vendors. You should see whether they have kept it in a covered box. If it is kept it sanitized, then you can have it. Otherwise, you will not eat such type of food. If somebody is giving you, you should tell, no, I don't want. Because that is dangerous to my health. No, I will not eat uncovered food. I will eat only the covered food. Okay? You should tell your friends. You should tell your neighbors. Tell your grandmother, grandfather, whoever it is, you should tell, no, we should not eat the uncovered food. We may fall sick. Okay, next, what is the main thing? What we should not waste our food. Why we should not waste our food? Why? Because so many poor children, they go hungry. They go for begging. So many poor children, so many small children, your same age, you are having good father, mother, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, beautiful house to live. You are preparing so much of food, and if the food is extra, what you will do? You will put it in a polythene paper and put it in the dustbin. No, that is not good. What you should do? You should give the food to the poor people. We should not waste the food. That is a good habit. Okay, next. We should not laugh or speak with food in our mouth. Why? While eating the food, you are eating the food and suddenly you are talking so much, or else you will laugh so much. What will happen? Yes, you tell me. What will happen? Yes, that will choke your throat. Your throat will be choked here. Then you will stop talking. Oh, something all you will do. Isn't it? Yeah? You want water. You will run for water. You will get cough. And sometimes your eyes will be watering. And sometimes it will reach you to death also. It will take you to death also. So be careful while eating the food. While eating the food, don't laugh and talk. That's why your mommy and daddy will tell no, when you are eating the food, don't talk. Eat the food. After that you can talk. Why? Because of this reason. That way it may choke you. Understood? So that is the reason why you should not talk or laugh while eating your food. Okay, children? Did you understand? We should not waste food. We should eat clean and fresh food. We get food from where? Plants and animals. So these are all our basic needs. Food is our basic needs. Okay? So these are all the things that you should keep in your mind. Before eating, what should you do? you should wash your hands, and after eating, what should you do? You should wash your hands. Good children. You all are very good children, okay? You all will do what the teachers are explaining to you. That's why you all are coming to school. That's why education has been given. If you go and ask the children, those who are roaming on the road, they will not know how to eat the clean food. They will not wash the hands. They will not wash their mouth. Isn't it? They will not brush their teeth also. Because you all are civilized people. Understood? You are coming to school. School is giving you good education. Understood? Keep all this in your mind. Our basic needs, which all our basic needs? Air, water, food, clothes, and the place to live. Understood, children? Okay. I will be sending you the notes today. First of all, I will send you the art words. Or else before that, which lesson notes is not given, I will send you the notes. Copy the notes and sit and study. Don't always go and play outside. Okay? Be home, be safe.